When you enter to the real IT?
Actually, real IT I entered 2000 in January 2000.
तो को कंपनी आपण जॉब मिळितला
ମୁଁ
फर्स्ट?
ସେତେବେଳେ ଜବ୍ ମିଳିଲା ମୁଁ ବମ୍ବେରେ ମିଳିଲା ମୋତେ।
ओके
So Bombay, one of the IT company called Trisa Information Systems, and they were doing some softwares for I think something in Middle East basically. So they wanted Java programmer, and
Okay.
that is how that was my first entry of
Okay.
you can say IT programming point of view. So
then next?
and after that never stopped. ସେଠି କେତେ ସମୟ କଲି ତାପରେ ଅନଲାଇନ୍ ସଲ୍ୟୁସନ୍ସରେ କେତେ ମାସ କଲି ତ ମୁମ୍ବାଇରେ ହିଁ ମୁଁ I think almost 2 years I stayed.
Okay.
So then like Western world was both IT and things like that. So that time lot of body shopping.
Body shopping.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
It's called body shopping. So basically you sell bodies.
Okay, okay.
So you IT peoples they okay they take it from India and sell it in UK or anywhere.
Okay.
And then they sell it on hourly basis or in basis. That was the business basically.
মানে যেটা আপন এক্সপ্লেইন করলে মানে মানে
still the body shopping is there, that concept is there, but they don't talk about it because it's a very bad
Okay,
you
okay.
can say word that
Okay,
you
okay,
use.
okay,
But
okay.
with if you look at IT service companies, they still do the body shopping. Some
মানে
places.
মানে হোয়াট ইজ মানে এটা ঠিক
Actually body shopping mane kono, there is a consultant in UK, let's say. Okay, because I went to UK, that's why I'm telling that, because consultant in UK, he will look at some of the good candidates from India. So they will say, okay, I can buy you.
Okay, like I can hire you means by
I can hire you basically,
okay.
right? But he will not have any job. He doesn't. He's consultant. They are just consultants. They
Okay.
don't have any job. They don't give any. They don't have any projects or things.
Okay,
like
okay.
that. So they will say that okay, we sponsor your visa and everything, and you come here. Then they will connect with couple of companies basically where that skill is required. So then they will send you, okay, go there for 1 month and work. Come, go there for 1 month. Come.
And who will pay the salary to the candidate?
The consultant.
Okay, तान consultant ताकोटू आनी की ना माने one kind of mediator से तार margin रखिवो धर suppose ଏବେ ସେ ଧର ମାନେ ଗୁଗୁଲ କୁ ଧର ପଠଉଛି ରାଇଟ୍ କାଇଣ୍ଡ ଅଫ୍ ଆମର ଯେମିତି କହନ୍ତି ଏଠି ମାନେ ଲେବର କଣ୍ଟ୍ରାକ୍ଟର ମାନେ ମାନେ ସେଇ ଟାଇପର ମାନେ କହିଲେ ଚଳିବ ରାଇଟ୍ ମାନେ ଏଠୁ ନେଇକିନା ମାନେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କମ୍ପାନୀ ଲଗେଇକି
Absolutely, labor contractor is a classic.
ଓକେ ଓକେ ତାହେଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଆବ୍ରୋଡ୍ ଜର୍ନି କେବେ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ହେଇଥିଲା?
That was started in 2001.
2001.
Yeah.
ତ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଆପଣ ହେଲା ୟୁକେ?
Yeah. So basically what happened is that relative basically he was in UK. So he said that he does this business and he's was talking to me. He was talking to me from last couple of years basically. So then he found something basically. So then he said that okay, I will sponsor you so you can come. So then I left Blue Star where I. By the way, I think Mumbai even I joined Blue Star as well for a couple of. Then after Blue Star, I went to UK in 2001. Unfortunately, I landed in UK first time on 9th September.
Okay.
2001. But the unfortunate thing is that because of 9/11, and I landed in such a time that suddenly the job crash happened. Then I was in UK for 6 months, but I did not get a job. Because,
Okay.
see, the consultant has taken me, right? But we need to find a customer to where I can work, right?
Right.
So to do that, and because of this 9/11 thing, so almost like every job market got
Okay. Like down, yeah.
down. And so I had to face that 5 to 6 months basically wherein survival was not a problem because consultant was taking care of me.
Okay.
Because that's how we dealt with. But as if like still I had this thing, right? I don't have a job, so I don't have a job basically.
But se ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଫୁଡିଂ ଲଜିଂ ସେ ମାନେ ଟେକ୍ କେୟାର କରୁଥିଲା?
Correct.
Okay fine. ତ ତାପରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର କେତେ ମାସ ପରେ ଆପଣ ପୁଣି ମାନେ ଆପଣ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ?
I got back in March 2002.
ମାନେ India
back.
Okay.
Because during that time I think when you buy a ticket basically you have to have a return ticket. So return ticket was there. So I chose to come back rather than extending further there. So because if I stay further, because the consultant or whoever, they were saying that you can stay another couple of months, maybe things will open up. But then I said it was very worrying for me, so it's better to come back. So that 6 months there, I had a struggle. I went into a lot of interviews, gone here and there, but that has also given me also, like, of course it was a downturn of my life, but actually also, I never got into depression or this thing. I was looking for opportunities, that's it.
ओके माने आपण एटाकू माने आज माने काइंड ऑफ ट्रेनिंग यू कैन से
Exactly,
आज
I
काइंड ऑफ
was
ट्रेनिंग आपण
getting
परसीव कले
हाँ.
तो पिला अछन ताको आज माने नेगेटिव नहीं पारे बट यू
हाँ.
टुक इट पॉजिटिवली
Yeah, absolutely. I never, I was happy there. That's okay. Because I was happy. I was like, yes, I was struggling or things like that, but I was happy.
Yeah.
Not like,
बिकॉज़ दैट इज द पार्ट ऑफ द लाइफ
yeah, exactly.
ओके देन आपण बैक कला परे देन अगेन आपण का अब्रॉड जर्नी केबे स्टार्ट हला
नहीं, बैक करिगली तो एक्चुअली आई ऑल्सो हैड ए confirmed जॉब ऑल्सो, because of my good friend circles, and also I was good in programming and things like that. So I joined back in Pune, basically. So then I stayed Pune. Then I joined Tech Mahindra there in at one company. Then I joined Tech Mahindra, so in Pune. So Pune re mu prior, I think then I got married. For a marriage, I think the first on-site again happened is through Tech Mahindra,
ओके
as a, like, I had like 2 to 3 trips, you can say, to UK again as a British Telecom ପାଇଁ କାମ କରୁଥିଲି. So it's like an on-site role for from offshore to onshore for 1 year, and go there and then do
माने इंडिया यूके
yeah,
ट्रैवल
India UK होइଥିଲା 3 ଥର खंडे ହେଇଥିଲା, but I used to travel with her only.
सो देन आपणकर तापर आपण आसले यूके आपण टेक महिंद्रा काम कला यूके टेक महिंद्रा देन आपण के माने नेदरलैंड जर्नी केबे स्टार्ट हला
मोर नेदरलैंड जर्नी अगेन टेक महिंद्रा ही हला, because टेक महिंद्रा I नेदरलैंड जर्नी started 30th November 2003.